The Stroop effect is a fascinating phenomenon in cognitive psychology that reveals how our brains process conflicting information. Imagine seeing the word blue printed in red ink. When asked to name the ink color, red, rather than read the word blue, people often experience delays and make more errors. This challenge, first described by John Ridley Stroop in 1935, highlights the difficulty in processing conflicting information. Reading is an automatic process for most adults, while naming ink colors requires more conscious effort. When the word and ink color are congruent, the task is easier. However, when they are incongruent, the automatic process of reading interferes with naming the ink color, causing delays and errors. A typical Stroop test includes congruent, for example, red in red ink, incongruent, for example, blue in red ink, and neutral conditions, for example, dog in red ink. Participants name the ink color as quickly and accurately as possible, with performance varying across conditions. The Stroop effect has significant implications in cognitive psychology, clinical psychology, and neuroscience. It helps us understand cognitive control and attention, assess cognitive function in clinical settings, and explore neural mechanisms underlying cognitive interference.